यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृता।
Namaskar. We welcome you all to World Eyes. In today's video, we will be taking you all to one of the most important pilgrim of Hindus,
the Kedarnath Dham. So friends, we all know about the Kedarnath temple, but there is a very important and interesting history behind the Kedarnath Dham. Before proceeding towards it, let us first discuss about the Kedarnath Dham.
Kedarnath Dham, one of the most important Hindu shrines which is dedicated to Lord Shiva, is located in the Rudraprayag district of Uttarakhand. The Kedarnath temple is one of the 12 Jyotirlingams and is also the most important temple among the Panch Kedars. It is one of the sacred temple of the Char Dham Yatra. The beauty of this temple is beyond imagination, which is situated on the lap of Garhwal Himalayan range.
Now, let us take you all to the time of Pandavas winning the battle of Kurukshetra, from where the history of Kedarnath Dham starts.
The history of Kedarnath temple dates back to the ancient ages. It dates back to the time when Pandavas won the battle in the Kurukshetra against the Kauravas and killed all their kith and kins. Burdened with the guilt of killing their near and dear ones, they went for the search of Lord Shiva so that he discharges them from all of their sins. Lord Shiva didn't want them to get released from their sins very easily, and therefore he disguised himself as a bull to roam in the Garhwal Himalayas. Bhim recognized him, and at that very moment, the bull started to sink inside. Bhim tried to catch the bull by his tail, and ultimately, in this phenomenon, Bhim somehow managed to catch the hump of the bull, and the head of the bull emerged in Nepal. The other body parts of Lord Shiva as bull emerged in various places, as the hump of the bull was found in Kedarnath, the navel was found in Madhya Maheshwar, face in Rudranath, 2 forelegs emerged at Tunganath, and hair came up at Kalpeshwar. These 5 sacred shrines altogether combine to be known as the Panch Kedar, which is considered to be as the most important pilgrims to attain moksha. So friends, now let us discuss some more facts on Kedarnath Dham.
According to our Puranas, originally Pandavas built the temple of Kedarnath, but the present temple was established by Adi Shankaracharya, who restored and revived the glory of the shrine in the 8th century. A shrine of Adi Shankaracharya is also present behind the Kedarnath temple. This huge Shiva temple is built at the height of 3,584 meters near the Mandakini river and has an idol of Nandi made right in front of this temple. The majestic Kedarnath peak stands just behind the temple along with the other peaks, forming a perfect abode of supreme deity.
The temple is made up with grey stone and is constructed in such a way that it can survive from any natural calamity. The starting point of Kedarnath has Gauri Kund, which has natural thermal springs. Mata Gauri is said to have been set in Tapa so as to marry Lord Shiva. The beautiful and serene Chorabari Lake can be reached after undertaking a trek of less than 4 km from the Kedarnath town. There is also a Bhairav temple in the Kedarnath Dham where Baba Bhairav is said to protect the temple.
The Garbhagriha of this temple contains a mandapa where Lord Shiva resides in a pyramid form. which differentiates Kedarnath from all other Shiva shrines.
In the month of June 2013, extensive rains, massive floods, and landslides triggered the Kedarnath Dham, which suffered its worst disaster in its living memory. Enormous amount of water gushed from the Chorabari glacier, but still the Kedarnath temple stands still and firm.
The Kedarnath temple is not only a symbol of devotion, but it is also a symbol of rich cultural heritage of Hindus. At the time of Mahashivratri, Kedarnath is decorated beautifully and it celebrates the greatness of Lord Shiva. Devotees from round the world visit Baba Kedar. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Thank you for watching.
Let us know in the comment section below, did you like watching our video? And please do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.